gotta get ready. Oh no.
Well, welcome back to Qadash Farm, everyone. I'm Big John, and this is part 2 of the cleanup before our in-laws come to town. I want to start by thanking everyone who clicked on this video. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending it with Qadash Farm. So let's get into it. Going back into part 1, you remember that we worked on those crepe myrtles, cleaning up around those trees, cleaning up that driveway leading up to the house. Now in part 2, we're gonna work on the entryway off the highway, cleaning up around the fence, cleaning up the ditch area, and getting as much done around the entry to the creek to our property. So we're gonna weed eat and push back as much as we can. So as you can see, when I first started, the job is fairly easy. Just weed eating, bringing down some probably 2.5 foot weeds, right? But as we start to go along, the incline of this hill coming off the highway presented a challenge to a guy like me that has knee repair, old football injuries. But I am not scared of hard work. What I know is after this, I'm gonna have to take a couple of aspirin, you know what I mean? Might have to soak my feet or wrap them in some ice just to recover, right? Anything you do that's strenuous on the body will need some recovery time, right? And I really love doing outside work, even though at sometimes it can be difficult. But if you have the right tools and you do it in the right time of day, the results that come from completing the job are well worth it. Let's be honest. It's really about impressing the in-laws. You want them to be impressed. You want all the compliments that come with a job well done. The first impression that they see when they drive in is everything. I hope you get up to the task when the in-laws come. No pressure, but all the pressure of trying to impress them for that short amount of time that they will be with you. You never want anyone to come to your house and think, wow, they don't take care of their property. The house is not clean. I would never eat there. I would never stay the night there. These are just the standards that me and my wife grew up under. These are the standards that we keep. We want people to feel like they could eat off the floor, right? Not literally, but you want a clean house, clean bathroom. You want them to know you have standards of cooking. And with all that being said, a lot of that you can tell when you pull up to someone's house. When you drive up on a farm, you're looking at, are the weeds overgrown? Is the state of the barn and the fence in disrepair? I don't know. It might just be me, but these are some of the things I think about when I visit people's house, especially nowadays when I visit a lot of farms or when I'm just driving up and down the highway. I am looking to see how people upkeep their property and what tools they use to do it. Because if you're taking care of the outside, you're taking care of the inside. Well, that's the end of our video today. Part 2, the cleanup before the in-laws arrive. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next video from Qadash Farm. And as always, if you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. Yeah, boy.
Oh, you gotta get ready.